In this video, I'm gonna explain you how to do organic dropshipping the right way. You don't need to film your products, it's completely made with AI. So why can you trust me? I'm Elias, I own a supplement brand. We do consistent 4K a day. Now I have my own 3PL, but in this time I was packing my orders. Here's my supplement factory in Germany. All this without paying ads. And thank you for all of these nice comments. I'm dropping more sauce, so follow me. So after this video, you know everything to make your first $10,000 with dropshipping using AI. We're gonna do the product research inside of this video and not kilo data rips because what the fuck. We do the store building, we finding inspiration for these videos and making the videos inside of this video. So after this video, you're gonna earn some money. So watch this video till the end if you want to get my free community and my private supplier. And yeah, we're gonna create everything together inside of this video. But before we start, the most important thing is the mentality you need to have for organic dropshipping. Investing money into marketing is never a loss. So if you're scared investing few dollars into your business, you should quit. Because what do you mean you cannot spend 1 to 2 to 3 euros for a video? So yeah, if you cannot do this, bro, fuck it, bro. So if other retards can print, you can do this too. Because look at my coaching client. He went from $100 to 10K days. And Loki, he's kinda dumb. So I cannot leak his product. He would sue me. But you can see here, he's around 500K view average, 400K, and all with the same method. Like I'm teaching him one by one, but I'm gonna drop all of this sauce here for free. So tools you need. You need Claude. Claude is the fucking goat. The problem with Claude, Claude cannot generate images or videos and is not ecom specific. He doesn't have this research. And you need Polaris. Polaris is something like Higgsfield, but made for e-commerce. It has around 1600 docs inside of this tool and makes your Claude really, really smart. So it knows how to do the copywriting, refines the prompts, and it generates the videos for you. So if you don't have Claude, what the fuck? If you don't have Polaris, bro, what the fuck? So yeah, that's the two things you need to succeed, and it's basically free if you do ecom. So with the product research, every other ecom guy tells you straight up lies. So you know these words. This is a winning product. You need to do this winning product. Oh my god. This is the best product, and this is a blue ocean product. Like if a guru tells you this, he's straight up lying to you because it's fucking cope. So what's the real method? Finding problems. And for beginners, finding visual problems, because I'm gonna explain you why in a few seconds. Visual problems like acne, bloating, hair loss, tanning, being short, and so on. Being not muscular, it's like a visual problem. It's fucking easy to market. So it's easy to market. It blows up like crazy. I did it so often. It's the easiest thing ever. It's basically free to market because one video costs around $2. And if you don't have $2, bro, go away from this video. And the only problem is if you blow up, everybody's gonna rip you because it's so fucking easy. So with the store building, I said this in my last video, your store doesn't matter at the beginning. You cannot improve your store without testing it with data, you know, and putting sections inside of it and hoping it will increase the conversion rate. It's low-key, it's stupid, like for real, for real. So what you should do is get traffic first on your store, real traffic, not these Indian shitty traffic, real traffic. And here's my secret tip. Use post-purchase surveys, ask a lot of questions after they buy. Like why, what they tried before, what they hope the product will solve, and why they nearly didn't buy. And maybe some people would say, oh, I didn't trust this website. And if they people say I didn't trust this website, you know you need to put more trust into your website. It's so fucking easy and everybody makes it too complex. So yeah, you can make a shitty store. The offer just need to be good. Make a simple offer that's like unresistible, and that's it. So finding inspiration for these videos are completely easy. You're just gonna make a fresh TikTok account or Instagram account. You only interact with people selling visual products. Search up keywords like fat loss, acne, glow up, hair loss. You're gonna find some people that are selling something, and only interact with people that are selling something. So you get on your For You page a lot of people that are selling something. So I found one on TikTok. It's Victoria de Lifts. They're selling a mobile app and it's like for fat loss. You can see this video is completely made with AI. Some people would say it's fake, like this person, but guaranteed they made so much sales with it, they don't even care about the hate comments anymore, because it was 6 days ago they uploaded and this video got 3 million views. Because it's so visually, the people like it, share it, comment it, say, how the fuck you did it. And people that are like really interested, they're gonna buy something because they want it too. And yeah, I'm gonna explain you now how to create this type of AI video inside of Claude. So you're gonna make a screenshot from the ad. Boom, 1 second. Boom, gonna go here, copy it. Boom, just move the overlay, generate prompt. Now you're gonna wait. And while we're doing this, you can press here on connect with Claude, copy this URL, press on the plus, go on connectors, add custom connectors, write in Polaris UGC and paste the link in and press on add. So you can generate images and videos inside of Claude, because inside of Claude it's so fucking simple. So now we got the prompt, just copy the JSON, go here, me image with Polaris. So now you're gonna wait. So now he asked me some questions. We're gonna do GPT image 2 because it looks more realistic than Banana Pro. So now the image is finished, but I don't like it because it looks too good, you know, because the quality is too good. So I made 2 images, one with GPT and one with Nano Banana. And not gonna lie, I like the Nano Banana image more. But here, she's not fat, and we want her a lot more fat. But this image looks great, not gonna lie. So we're gonna say, okay, make her 100 kg more and more bloated. So now we're gonna wait. He made her more bloated and more fat, but it looks really, really good. So he created her a lot more fat and it looks really, really good. But now here's like the overlay, and I don't like the overlay. So I just told bro, remove the overlay, and he's gonna remove now the overlay. So tweak a bit around. Look up GPT-2 looks better for you, like this, or Nano Banana. I like the Nano Banana right now more, so we're gonna keep the Nano Banana version. And yeah, just tweak it until you got the perfect start frame, because invest more time into your start frames, because if the start frame is good, your ad turns out so much better, because you can prompt the video crazy. If the start frame is ass, everything is gonna be ass. So he removed the overlay. It looks perfect for me. It looks crazy. She looks fat. And this is gonna be our start frame. I'm gonna download this image. Boom. And now we can look what else they did. Like, she was here training. Boom. Now we're gonna screenshot like the start frame they have, like she's training. Gonna put it in and say, make our avatar doing the training too, but without the overlay. Yeah, and now we're gonna wait again. So we should farm like first the start frames and then we should generate the video. So yeah, let's just farm the start frames. So now it generate me this image and it looks great. So I'm gonna explain you now how to animate those start frames, and you can make infinity amount of this. Like, I'm just gonna do 2, but you can do a lot of more because it's just in tutorial how to create them. And yeah, so it's completely easy. Gonna have this picture, okay? Gonna paste this picture in, boom. Making video with Omni, 4 seconds long, 3.16, and then explain what she do. She should turn, to the side like a transformation before video. And Loki, that would be. So that's kind of it. Just press enter and you're gonna wait. And it's so simple. Keep the prompts really, really simple. Don't make them crazy long. Omni is really good with short prompts. So make it crazy short prompts and that's it. And you're gonna do this for every start frame. Now here I would say, yeah, and for this video, I would just put a screenshot in and say she should do like scrunches or something. Or I don't know what she's doing right now. And that's it. It's so simple. And now he's gonna generate this image, no, this video, and that's kind of it. So you just need to trim it. I'm not gonna do this inside of this video. You just need to trim it with CapCut. It's completely easy. Like, copy the winner, And look, when he does the cut, like after 3 seconds he does the cut, you're gonna do the cut also on the third second. It's so easy. And yeah, also copy, like if you're gonna copy today Victoria Taylor, you can do this. I don't care. Also copy the text what's here. And then with the globe version, it's completely the same. Gonna copy a screenshot, go here, generator, prompt generator, put the screenshot in, and that's it. And you're gonna say, yeah, she should also turn. And it's so easy. And if you don't want her, like her character, you're just gonna say, Claude, bro, I don't want this character. I want like an old man. And you're gonna do it. It's so simple, like for you. Like you don't need to have brain cells for this. And now the thing, where should you upload these videos? The videos, you should upload them on every platform. Post them on Facebook, post them on Instagram, post them on fucking TikTok, post them in YouTube Shorts, post them everywhere. And how the fuck you sell them? For me, I would sell everything inside of the comments, because so many people would say, how the fuck you did it? And you're gonna say, yo, I used blah blah blah, and put like a screenshot of the product in, so that people think you're really using it. You could also put a link inside of your bio, but low-key in the comments it works the best. You just need to be active. You could hire like a Filipino doing all of your comments, because you need to stay active, and it's completely easy. Like if you don't do sales with this method, okay, you need to be brain dead. Like you need to be really, really dumb. Yeah. And Loki, that would be the video. You see? Now she's doing like outfit check, and you see how crazy it looks. Like real good. Yeah. Omni is fucking crazy. Like you could also do this with Kling. You could also do this with Seedance. Oh, now she flipped. You see? And with the flip, you're gonna edit in this second. Like in the third second. Loki, it's perfect. Like here, the third second, kind of the third. She's gonna flip. Yeah, and here is also on the third second. So yeah, so Loki, it's the perfect clip. You can just rip it. It's so fucking easy. You're gonna do this with all the clips. And if you don't make money with this, you need to be completely brainwashed. And yeah, comment something down below what I should do next, because this video was crazy broad. If you want to see a full detailed version, I'm creating these type of videos. Just comment it. I'm gonna do this because some people ask me to do like a broad video, so I did it. So yeah, completely easy.